Alright guys, here's a nice quiz question. We have here the root of 2 minus 1 squared, and here are our possible answer choices. 3 minus 2 root 2, 1 minus 2 root 2, 3, or 1. You should really pause the video and try this on your own before I show you my solution. But let's go with my solution. So we have here the root of 2 minus 1, and it's being squared. So this quantity right here is the base with respect to the 2 and the exponent. It's the base. So you're going to do this. You can FOIL out, in other words. The root of 2 minus 1 times the root of 2 minus 1 this way. So now let's label some things in here. So our f, where is our FOIL? So that's going to be this part. That's going to be our f. Our o will be right here. And then our I will be this. And our L will be that. Got it? That's going to be our FOIL. Okay, so let's carry this out actually. So we'll have here root 2 times the root of 2. Right, f. Then our o, so that's going to be positive root 2 times negative 1, being very clear with the symbols, not skipping any steps. Negative 1 and times the root of 2, and at the end, negative 1 times the negative 1 at the end. So really, you should pause the video here and ask yourself, does your work look kind of similar? More or less, doesn't have to be exact. So now these two, there are two of them. Okay, so that means you can write the root of 2 quantity squared, for example, because it repeats. Root of 2 is the base. Now this negative multiplies with this, so it's going to be minus the root of 2. This is also minus the root of 2 from this negative, and at the end you're going to have these two negatives multiplying to make a positive 1. Now, the root of 2 squared is positive 2. That's a whole separate lesson. So here we'll just take at the face value that it's 2. Now look at these two middle terms. This is like a minus 1 and a minus 1, two negatives, right? So if you do this negative and this negative, it's going to give you minus 2. And then you copy the root of 2 only one time. You're adding up the coefficients, the negative 1 and the negative 1. You keep the 1 at the end. Then you're going to do 2 plus 1, so that's going to be 3 here, and then you copy the rest, minus 2 root 2. So hopefully when you did this, you did get the answer A here. So if you like these kinds of videos, please be sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing summer. I'll see you in another video.